The next thing that we want to do is to begin to narrow down our keywords and to find the specific keywords that we want to target and that we want to go after as we deconstruct this market. So let's start that process and dig right in.
So one way to do that, to kind of narrow down the keywords, is start examining all the different metrics here. And the first thing that I want to look for is I want to know the linking power, the linking profile, or how good the links are that the competition or the existing results in the top 10 are ranking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at some keywords and find those with weak linking competition. So let's dig into that right now. When we're looking for linking, poor linking profiles or weaker link profiles that we can go after, we can click on, if we click on the result here on a keyword, what's going to happen is it's going to load the top 10 results from Google and also grab the link data for those sites. Now that's what's taking a little while to load. We already have all the search results collected, but we use SEO Moz's Open Site Explorer to grab our link data. And so that's pulled in real time. So every time you click on a result, that data is pulled live from them. And so you have incoming links to the domain and incoming links to the specific page. So that's where the data you can get by default. Now you can go ahead and you can click on all these keywords and you can start analyzing the links and that kind of thing. But what I like to do is I like to kind of improve my chances of finding better keywords faster. So we do this by tweaking our search filter here even further. And so some of the things I like to do is I like to do age. I look for sites where the age is less than or equal to 1 year. So I'm going to put there's at least one or more sites that meet that criteria. I want one or fewer exact match domains, and I want one or more sites with a PR of 1 or less. Very simple, but a very effective and powerful filter this is. So let's filter the results. Okay, now we've got our results filtered, and we've narrowed it down even further. We have a few less keywords. Now, why did we do that? Why do we choose those specific metrics? Well, because now we can see very quickly sites that, okay, Mattress Reviews, which gets 27,000 searches a month, Exact Match, has 3 sites in the top 10 that are not a year old or younger. So we're not looking at a keyword where you're going to have to spend years gaining authority to rank for it. And so the more sites you see with an age of 1 or less in the top 10, hey, that's a pretty promising sign. Same thing with exact match domain. Well, this is just, I kind of throw this one in because if you see a keyword that has 2 or 3 exact match domains in the top 10, then that kind of discounts the slight boost we can get by using our own exact match domain for ranking. So I like to look for keywords where I have a chance of registering an exact match domain perhaps to get that little extra ranking boost. It's not a huge boost, but it'll help a little bit to rank for that specific keyword. So that's why I like to use that filter. And then page rank of 1 or less. Again, page rank isn't everything, but when you see a keyword like England or Mattress Reviews here, there's 6 sites in the top 10 that have a page rank of 1 or less. So, I mean, we're not looking like we're going to have to go out and we're going to have to build up some authority over a long period of time. It's going to be possible to rank even with the site with a very low page rank. So that's just another metric that I like to go after. Another metric that I hadn't really always thought of until I actually had this tool created is the presence of exact match domains.